Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. Man, why do I always start off all the videos like that? Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. But welcome back, you know what I mean? My dad never came back. I'm just playing, Dad. I know you don't watch it, but if you ever do watch my videos, come back, please. I miss you. For today's video, baby, we might end up, well, it can go either two ways. I did get my engine stand back from OG Quietly. And I also... And if everything goes right, I should be putting on the new clutch and everything, and then putting that on the engine stand. Or if I don't do that today, we're gonna start prepping this engine bay for paint. So the current goal is to either sand this or prep that and sand that and all that stuff. So let's see how this video turns out. Well, it's definitely coming down. But all is well because, boom! So ever since your boy been hitting the gym for this past like 2 months, got a little strong, you know what I mean? I actually put this on by myself. I'm lying. My brother helped me, but still, I got it. And it's on now, but I can't really put it out and work on it because, well, it's raining. So what I'm gonna do is actually head to Home Depot and buy the orbital sander and then probably come back home and start working on the engine bay. Gotta take off the fenders, of course, and all that jazz, and get to work on this bad boy, man. I'm excited. I'm excited. Every day. Why does it rain every day? Every day it rains. Why? I ain't running no cold air intake on this car. I tell you that. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to mess the daily up. Super facts. Even though I got a JBtuned fuel line tuck kit, I don't know what this car is anymore. But we're just gonna say it's just a daily, bro. It's just a daily. Where's the baby? Where is she at? Where's she hiding at? Where's she hiding at? Where's she hiding at? I don't even see it up here. Sometimes we like to play hide and seek. One day, bro. One day your boy's gonna get him a Milwaukee. I wanna have all my tools Milwaukee. Cause Milwaukee is the best, but for 100 bones, no thank you. I can't afford that, playboy. Where that Ryobi at? Where the Ryobi at? Oh, I see it. I see it, baby. This is what your boy can afford. Yes, sir. Let's get this bad boy. All right. Time to get to sanding, baby. But first, let's go by Randy's house and see what he's doing to the RSX. And just like that, where's the rain? Where is it? Sky look nice. I mean, it don't look deadly anymore, but it's pretty nice out, kind of. All right, so we back at RANDLOW'S Cribbo. It's been a minute since you guys seen the project of Randy's RSX. So quick little update. He got some stuff back from powder coating. He got... What happened to... You left one of the Mount Silver? Nobody see it. I mean, it would have been the same price. But, well, silver mount. These are supposed to be rose gold plated. Does it look rose gold to you? I think it does a little bit. Rose gold got like a pinkish tint to it. Like a pinkish bronzy thing to it. But all these crusty bolts right here we got today from Acura. Oh, speaking of Acura, our grand total is $47. That boy Randy with the drip. Got that Downstar hex head. Wow, that looks really nice though. I like the hex head. That looks good. Ice, yeah. Oh, but this gotta go, Randlow. No, we can't have that, playboy. Can't have that either, baby. But this right here, we needs that. We need that right there. Ice, yeah. Oh, he even got on the... Wow, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, that looks pretty damn good. The drip, bro. The drip. That boy even got the bumpers on with the side skirts and 05, 06 stocks. As far as interior, dash is in. Oh, this is a lip. I guess that's it for the interior. She's got the dash in and stuff like that. As far as the engine bay, I showed you guys that. He's waiting on some stuff to come in so he can do his brakes. If you're new to the channel and don't know who the hell Randy is, Randy's like one of my best buds. Met him a couple years ago and just been cool and kicking it ever since. And yeah, this is RSX, man. A lot of people always say this car will never be finished, and I'm one of them. And even with the progress it's made, I still don't think it's gonna be finished. Sorry, Wayne. It's raining outside. We can't really paint the transmissions, even though you guys didn't know what the hell we were doing anyway. So we're gonna start messing with my transmission. Randy's gonna basically assemble it before. Okay. So we found 2 washers which go on the top of this one, right? The counter shaft.
On the bottom.
Okay, they go on the bottom of the counter shaft of the main shaft, and we're just gonna put it back together and check for clearance issues and see if everything's good to go. And then once everything is situated with this, then once the new washers come in, which will be tomorrow, we should be good.
That's all I play?
That's bad, right?
Yeah.
We forgot the washers?
I know, I purposely did it.
Oh.
Take this out.
That shit good, boy. My transmission nice. Wow. Randy, you're good. Alright. That's pretty damn smooth. So you're gonna check for play with that, and then when you put the washer on, you're gonna see if it has play still?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's see if it got play. No play?
Don't open out here.
Ain't no play. You're good. You are so good.
Open it on the door handle on the drawer.
Hi, Sophie. Want to say hi to my vlog?
I'm gonna look like a bum though. If I look like a bum, I don't want to be vlog.
Nah, you okay?
I'm looking like
You look alcoholic with that damn bottle in your hand.
Do I look like a bum? No, but you look like an alcoholic. So we got no shaft play. Everything is good. I could actually use those washers in some of my transmission today. But I'm just gonna get. I already ordered the new ones, so we're just gonna run the new ones.
here, babe, here.
Yeah, film, man.
Yeah, film. Yeah, film.
You're not ready, you're ready.
It's not Oh, mine's there.
Mate.
Amai, awet pai.
Mate.
Asawet pai.
You just pulled up?
Asamai, awet pai.
Mate.
Asawet pai. Asawet pai.
All right, LSD disinstall.
Film.
Yeah, film. Yeah, film. Hoje quali. Something's not right. Yeah, something's not right.
Force it on, bro. And if they can't go on, it don't go on.
Tell him, man.
You want to do it?
I learned from the past, bro.
You want to do it?
Nope.
Tell him, man. Right, come on, go on, man.
I'm gonna tell you what you want to do it back.
Huh?
I'm gonna tell you how to do you one.
What?
He don't
Oh,
understand.
we're like 4 times.
You don't listen to me. And when you do listen to me, then you get it to work.
Shoot.
Why is my daddy so mean to me? I wish I had a dad to be mean to me. Must be
It
nice.
don't work, bro.
Here we go.
Hit him right again.
Come on.
How's he go? Getting mad.
For what?
I said take it back out. Something not right, brother.
Slide the hammer on it. No, don't. No, that was the same one. It's there. Slide it more in.
Oh, you recording the whole time, bro?
Yup.
Here, film.
Shoot.
Think it's a bearing?
O'Reilly.
Not today. Alright. It's in there. Alright. Boom. Yeah.
Wait, y'all going to a party?
And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for yet another Zosh video. Sadly enough, my computer is toasted. It's been toast for a couple days now, which translates to sorry for your delay of getting your banner to you. I'm like a couple days behind on getting orders shipped out for the banners. As far as posters will be here Tuesday, like I stated on my website. So if you order a poster and you read the description, then you know all your orders will be shipped by the 17th of August, which would be in a couple of days from now. Why do I sound like this? I've been editing the past 2 videos so far on my MacBook, which is overheating like a mofo, so I gotta keep it on a charger so it doesn't die. Yeah, that's annoying. I want to do some upgrades to the hardware of my MacBook to make it perform a little faster, but man, render time is so much faster. Bro, like, I rendered my last video in like 8-10 minutes, and an 8 to 10 minute video on this computer is like an hour and 20 minutes. So definitely want to start using my MacBook more for editing and use my desktop for everything else. But as the title reads, yes, it's been almost a year since I've had my own transmission in my own entire car. Randy rebuilt my gearbox. My transmission is finally done. All I have to do now is just make it icy with some hardware and paint it. And that's it. I have a working transmission with a M Factory LSD, brand new second gear, all brand new synchros, brand new main shaft, brand new bearings, and I think I got 3rd and 4th hub and sleeve brand new as well, or something like that. All in all, I got a new to me transmission with new parts with LSD. I never had a vehicle with LSD. This is my first time, and I can't wait. I'm about to be ripping. So huge shout out to that boy Randy for rebuilding the gearbox, man. That's my dude. This video is actually supposed to be a video about the K24 or the engine bay. Well, I guess you'll look forward to that next video. So, see you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.